Alright, as you can see, the track is done. Everything's connected up. Everything's wired up. Got a test train up there. Let's see what it looks like. We got the Power Masters and the power brick over there connected to a remote system. So I just press that button. Everything turns on. Go over to our remote. Track 1. And that should power the train. Let's see what it works. Still a little bit of a learning curve with this. There we go. And we're going to stop it right here. Well, that's about it. So I'll give you guys a running demonstration of it. Hopefully this looks good. And let me know what you think.